Updating your payout destination on Wise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select payout destination. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your information. Here, you can add a new payout destination or edit the existing one. Enter the required information accurately, such as bank details or payment methods. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout destination, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email verifying that your payout destination has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payout information up to date on Wise. Regularly checking and updating your details ensures smooth transactions and avoids any payment delays.